Hello and welcome to FIS Binary. I will be your educational tutor for the next couple of training sessions that you'll be going through. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you very much for choosing FIS Binary, and I do promise you that we will give you nothing but pure value. In today's lesson, we are going to have an overview of what binary options trading is all about. So with that, without wasting much time, I will say let's get straight into business. Now, someone will ask the question, what is binary options? Now, binary options has many different definitions, but there is one depicting feature or factor in every definition of binary options that you do hear about, and that is it has only two possible outcomes. So I will put the definition in a very layman's term or understanding so that you can have a better idea of what binary options is. So as you can see on your screen, I said binary options is a type of derivative investment instrument which has only two possible outcomes. That is, either you are in the money, which implies that your prediction was right, or you are out of the money, which implies that your prediction was wrong. Now, binary options only has two possible outcomes. If your prediction is right, you make your profits depending on the percentage return, and if your prediction is wrong, you end up losing your invested capital per that trade. So that is exactly how binary options works. Just to give a brief explanation of how it works. Now, what I'd like to do next is to talk about the benefits associated with binary options. Most people do ask, why should I trade binary options? Why not trade forex? Why not trade stocks? Why not trade penny stocks and all the other investment vehicles out there? Why should I use or trade binary options? Now, there's just a lot of advantages associated with trading binary options, but I would like to speak about only a few. And the most depicting features or benefits associated with trading binary options is one, you have the ability to trade in all the financial markets. The second one is that you have access to over 200 tradable assets. The third one is you have a high payout returns. In terms of percentages, it sometimes can be as high as 720% per trade, or per your invested amount per trade. All right. Again, they also do accept very low capital investment. In order to be part of binary options industry or to trade binary options, you don't need to have or invest a large amount of capital. You can invest as low as, in some cases, $50. In others, you can invest as low as $250 as well. Another part of the advantages associated with trading binary options is the fact that it is regulated. There is an increasing level of regulation associated with binary options these days, with most of these financial regulatory authorities regulating binary options now. Another benefit, which is very, very, very key, is the ability to have short-term maturity assets. I mean, you can have your executed trade expire within the next 30 seconds, as short as 30 seconds. You wouldn't have to wait for months or years for your investment or your trade to expire. You can have it expire as early as possible as you want. Again, you have the ability to trade during weekends. So these are the few advantages associated with binary options, which makes people decide to trade binary options instead of all the other investment vehicles out there. Now, I would like to talk about the payout returns associated with binary options. Now, binary options has different payout returns, or payout ratios, as some people like to call it. Depending on the percentage return that you would gain per your investment, depends on a number of factors, and that's what I've listed out on the screen. It depends on factors such as the binary options platform feature that you're using. If you are using a binary options platform such as range, you end up getting payout as high as 720%. If you are using binary options platforms such as the options builder, you can get payout ratios ranging from 80% to 85%. If you are trading with the table, some call it table, some call it quick trade, and all that has a 60 seconds expiry and a 30 seconds expiry, you can have percentage payout of about 72% and the likes. Now, another reason that causes the difference between the percentage rates associated with a particular trade is the return of a particular trade is also the type of asset that is being traded. Some assets are considered to be more riskier than others, and as a result, the riskier assets end up having a higher payout than the less riskier assets. Another factor is the fact that it also depends, the percentage return also depends on the type of binary options broker that you are trading with. Some brokers give higher percentages out, whilst others give very low percentages out. But due to the regulation of binary options now, you cannot go so low beyond a certain limit. You have a particular limit as a broker with which you can give out returns to traders. So that was another reason. Now the last reason is that so that's basically, these are basically the main reasons. Okay, now the final point that I have here is that payout returns can range from as low as 65% to as high as 720% per executed trade. Alright, so these are the kind of returns you can expect if you trade binary options, or you choose to make binary options the vehicle of investment that you like to trade with. So I hope you did learn a lot from today's lesson or session. I hope to see you again next time as we continue our tutorial on binary options and all that you need to know in order to become an elite trader, right? So till we meet again, bye bye for now.